Hello folks, today I will talk about pipes in Angular and what are the uses of these pipes and how to filter and transform data using pipes. So there are multiple use cases of using these pipes. So let me share one by one. So there are two types of pipes in Angular, custom and built-in. Pipes are like filters. They allow us to change the data inside the template. A pipe takes the data and transforms the input into the desired output. So suppose you passed data to any element, and if you want to convert or filter any data, then in that case you can use these pipes. There are lots of built-in pipes in Angular like uppercase, lowercase, data, number, currency. You can easily add those pipes. So let me show you the syntax of how we can add this. So let me show you all these pipes, how it's working. And pipe only work with one-way winding, not with two-way. You need to keep this thing in mind. One-way winding, not with two-way. A pipe can be used as a pure and unpure or impure. So means one thing is here, means there are two types of pipe, custom and built-in. Means you can also build your pipe, or these are some built-in pipes. Another thing is pipe, means pipe. There are two types of pipes. We have pure and impure. So before deep diving into pure and impure, let's first understand the pure and impure functions. Also let's pick this topic a little later. So firstly you need to check this two types of pipes. What are these pipes? What are these built-in pipes? And how you can create pipes in Angular. So let me give you that thing. First, sync pipe, custom pipe. So if you want to add any pipe in Angular, so in that case you can use this command to create a pipe in the Angular project. To create a pipe in the Angular project, you can use below command. So with ng pipe and your pipe name, like what do you want to achieve with this pipe, so you can add this thing here. So this is to add the pipe in Angular project. Next is means how you can identify that this is a pipe. So pipe is basically used. So as you can see here in the image, with this slash, we can add this pipe here, and here we define the whatever the pipe name is. This is the pipe name myJSON, and this is the parameter that we are passing in this pipe. So here you can see this is the myjson.pipe.ts file. So here we define the pipe name, which is myJSON. Another one is what we want to achieve with this pipe. So we have added the code, whatever we want to achieve. So this is pipe name, and these are pipe arguments. These are ID name, means this ID and name. The print is the ID and field is the name. So we have defined this, and this is a pipe return type, what it is returning, and this is a pipe input. Means whatever the input, this is a person, means this value person is the pipe input. So means how you want to manipulate this, you can manipulate and return the data. So let me show you one real example of this. So this is a pipe component. So with that you can so as I told you, means with the pipe you can easily convert the things into the formatted data. So with this slash operator we can use this with this or operator. So let me show you the code. This is a app pipe demo. So as you can see here, it is showing the formatted data. So here we have used the pipe to update this data like that. So firstly is the currency pipe. This is basically updating this to, means whatever the amount you will write, it will convert it into the euro. So what is the amount here? Let's check. So amount is 5, so we have defined here 5, and this euro is defined the currency symbol, so that is why it has added the symbol, this euro symbol. If you want to add this GBP, then you can add this symbol also. So means according to your requirement, you can check this. And another example, a pipe price $2 and display the dollar symbol. So this is another use case of this pipe. So as you can see here, we have added this pipe here, product dot price, and this currency USD symbol. This currency is USD and symbol. So what is this product dot price here? So let's see, this product price is 52. So we have here, we got this thing, $42. So with that you can easily identify this. And next is slice pipe. Slice is basically used to cut down the data. So what is this array here? Let's see. So this array is an array of number. So what we have done here, there are 7 elements currently, but now what we are doing, we are displaying only 4 elements, 1 to 5. So that is why it is showing 6543. So let's see on the 1th index. So this is where we define the slice pipe. And another example is items. So what are items here? Means here we are displaying only one data. So in the items we have this 2 data. So now we only displaying only one item only. So with the slice pipe you can easily cut out the data. You can easily remove the unnecessary data, remove the data. Means according to requirement you can add this thing. And this is a slice pipe. Second is exponential strength. So what it is doing, it is displaying the power of 2 to the power 10, 2 raised to power 10. So it is like that. So these all are the built-in pipes like exponential strength and date. There are lots of variants in the date also. So here we have defined the different formats of date. You can easily use any for date format, whatever you want to use. Next is uppercase. So this uppercase, lowercase. You can use this pipe that you can see here, title through uppercase. So it is displaying the template syntax. So whatever title we are passing here, so it will show it in the upper form. So here we can see title is template syntax, so that is why it is showing in the uppercase form. Next is pipe chaining. So we can also do chaining of the pipe chaining, convert title to uppercase then to lowercase. So what it is defined here means, here firstly we convert it into the uppercase, after that we make it in the lowercase. So we can also do chaining. So there are multiple chaining, like we have converted firstly it into the date, then what we have done we have converted it into the uppercase. So with that you can easily define that. Another one is JSON. Suppose you have any JSON, and you want to display that JSON current hero. This is the JSON birth date and value, key value. So currently what is it display? So currently how it is displaying like. So as you can see here, this is the JSON pipe that we have used here. If you remove this JSON, then you can see here it is not displaying like that. Means it is breaking, so that is why we must need to add this JSON here also. With that we can uniquely identify this element. So next is this key value. Key value is also used to filter the data. So as you can see here, suppose we have this words. What is word? What is a words is an array, object array. So you can also use this. This here what we have done, world dot key, world dot value. So whatever is written here, it will displaying like that. So as you can see here, it is displaying like that. This is another pipe that we are using here. This is the number type. This is the title case, and the async is basically used to store the asynchronous data. So let's see what is this count here. So this count is an observable. So we are displaying this observable like that. Let's uniquely identify this. So here we have added some code here. So here on the ngNet, what we have done, we have defined this RxJS code. So means after some time, after 1 second, it will show that count completed. Then it will display the message. So as you can see here, it displaying the message happy birthday. So before this happy birthday, what is coming? 5, 4, 3. Means as you can see 3, 2, 1. After that it will display the happy birthday. So means this is asynchronous data. So that is why we have used async pipe here to update that data. So this is all about built-in pipes. Next is a custom pipe. So here we have defined the custom pipe here. So this is a custom pipe. Here this is the input and this is the parameter that we are passing here. So its pipe name exponential strength. So as you can see here in the HTML, we have defined the exponential strength. This is a custom pipe. So here this is the argument that we are passing, and this is the value that we are passing, so that you can see the ch data math.power. So now as you can see here, it is displaying the 1024 because we have defined this pipe. So this is all about built-in and custom pipes. Next, let's proceed further. So we have covered this with the command like ngg pipe. Means here we define the exponential strength. So you can run the command like ngg pipe exponential strength to create this pipe file, and with that you can easily create the file. So just we have covered the built-in pipe and custom pipe. Let's move to the pure and impure pipes. You can also create your pipe filter according to your requirement. So after that we have covered this thing. So let's next is pipe can be used as pure and impure. So before deep diving into pure and impure pipe, let's first understand the pure and impure functions. So what are the pure functions? Pure function is a function that does not have an internal state. So a pipe can be a pure function is a function that does not have an internal state. It means all the operations it performs are not affected by the state, given the same input parameter and produce the same deterministic output. So means whatever the input you will pass, it will return the same output. So this is called as the pure functions. This is a pure function. Next is a function that is not pure, cannot be shared. So let me give the example of impure pipes. A function that is not pure, it cannot be shared. Input does not change the impure function. Input does not change the impure function and can produce different output. We cannot use the input value to determine if the output value change. So as you can see here, so these are impure pipes like async, JSON and slice pipe. These all are impure pipes. And this cannot be shared. So as I showed you here, async pipe. This is an impure pipe. It is also built-in pipe. It accepts data as an argument which is observable or promised, then calls subscriber or attaches a then handler, and then wait for the asynchronous result before passing it through to the caller. It subscribe to an observable or promise, return the latest value it has emitted without calling then or subscribe method. It comes under the category of impure pipe. So means as we know, if we are using observable, then you need to subscribe that value also. So here what we have done, we do not need to subscribe this value. Means what all these things async pipe does, async pipe do all these things. So means this is a good advantage of means with that you need to write less code and you can easily bind it directly in the HTML. So let me give you the example of. So this is all about pure and impure pipes. You can practice that. Thanks for watching.